In this video, we are going to share about the simple Japanese weight loss technique. Just need a towel roll. Yes, of course, I am serious. It is the simplest method to lose weight. For this, we only want a roll towel for better results. This method was developed by a Japanese doctor, Toshiki fukutsudzi. It only needs a rolled towel. As you lie down on it with a specific posture, this exercise claims to correct the pelvic placement. If you haven't already heard or read about it, we give a lowdown of how you can lose weight at your house without having to burn a hole in your pocket, or that is what the Japanese claim. Take out 5 minutes of your time every day to do this exercise. And here is what you need to do. First, you need a towel and roll it about 7 to 10 centimeters in diameter. Next, sit on the floor with your legs stretched out in front of you, such that there is a distance of 8 to 10 inches between both feet. Now, place the roll towel behind the back. Lay down on the floor in a straight position with the towel placed under the waist. Pause this. Try and bring your toes close to each other while maintaining the distance between the heels. Basically, your feet should be positioned like a triangle pointing upwards. And keep your upper body in the same position. Next, lift your arms and take them over your head, almost touching the floor. Now try to join your pinky fingers. The stretch you want to achieve is now complete. Your body will be almost arched like an inverted boat. Stay in the position for about 5 minutes. You should feel burning sensation and slight pain in the beginning, which eases with the practice. This may look easy, but holding it for a long period can be a daunting task. It seems that this exercise not only includes weight loss, but helps in effectively curing your back pains and strengthening your abdomen. If you don't try this exercise at your home, make sure you consult your doctor, especially if you suffer from any niggling back issues. Stay healthy and eat well.